Got my first order of the day. It's gonna be for Gravity Coffee, $8.25 going 1 mile.
Here's that for you. Then we'll have that other drink right out.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. Next order up is for Voodoo Donut. This is $7.25 going less than a mile. Thank you, you too. I think this might be going to this hotel right here, but they didn't give me any room numbers, so... Hello, there you are.
Thank you.
Next order up is for Sherry's. This is $10.75 going 4.5 miles.
Are you picking up also?
Yes. Thank you. Don't think I mentioned it, but this Starbucks is $8 and some change going 4.5 miles. Next order up is for Victor Rico's. This is $7 going 2 miles. Thank you. Next up is a Taco Bell. This is $9.75 going 3 miles. Looks like drive-thru is closed. Lobby looks closed. Got half pay for that. $4.87 for an extra 5 minutes of my time. Not too bad. Got my next orders. This is a stack. Looks like it's going to the same person. Angel's Donuts and Black Rock Coffee. $15 going just under 5 miles. Thank you. Next order up is for Sherry's. This is $9.25 going 2.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Next order up is a McDonald's. This is $9 going 2.5 miles. Just got an additional McDonald's order. This is $9.50 going to the same street. This might be going to the same person. No, it's not.
That one's perfect. So that one's gonna have a high speed. The other one's on high right now. I'm gonna go to the back for each one.
On mine.
Thank you.
Have a good day. There you are.
Thank you.
Next order up is McDonald's. $11 and some change going 2.5 miles.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Next up is Angel's Donuts. This one is $11.25 going just under 5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This is $13.75 going 3.5 miles, 5 items. Customer added $2 tip on a past Angel's order. Nice.
Ready?
Yes. And then just scribble on that line for me. Got my next order right away. This is Taco Bell, $9.71 going 2 miles. This might be another half pay order. Never mind on that. I think I saw some people inside.
All right, pull forward.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. You too, thank you.
Daddy!
What's that for you?
How does that bag work? Does it keep the heat in pretty well?
Next up, we've got Voodoo Donut, $7.50 going 2 miles. Thank you. Just got an additional order. This is for Popeyes. I believe it said $9.50 for an additional 2 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Next order up is a shop and deliver for alcohol. This is $16.25 going 6 miles, 1 item. A little confused as I was checking out. Customer says, can you get the Fireball whiskey instead? It's the same price, but that's what I was getting to begin with. So now they said, no, it's fine. You've already grabbed the other stuff. No biggie. I am so confused. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. I was just about to call it, but I just got this order. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $12.50 going 5.5 miles, 2 items. Scribble on that line for me.
Yep.
All right, now I'm done for real, for real. Never mind. What is this? Shop and deliver for alcohol. $14 going 7 miles, 2 items.
Excessive alcohol use increases the risk for heart disease, cancer, and can cause other health problems. Most of us do it. We rationalize it to ourselves.
Scribble on that line for me. All right, now I'm actually done. Current time is 1:18. Current total is 193 plus $4 from that canceled order, 197. Not too shabby. But anyways, I am starving, so I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.